I just did a quick update to our map that displays the bike routes from the city here. So we saw this one in the previous video where we can click on the map and we can actually see things associated with some of the bike routes now that we've loaded in that KML file. But I thought that it might be fun to start to think about what's going to happen when people want to report things. And so I put in a little button, and we'll see how that works here, that just says make a report. And I'm just testing to see what this looks like. So it's nothing much yet. It's just a button that when I click on it, it drops a random marker and it does the obnoxious little bouncing. And by random, I mean it puts the marker in a very random place. But you can imagine that this could be something that is associated with maybe something like a C-click fix. Just to take a look at what that code looks like, it's really the same file that I had before where I pulled in the KML file. But what I've added in is this little function that just says place random marker. And you can see that it takes an offset and it creates a new latitude and longitude and puts that marker on my map. And the one line that I added down here to the model or the HTML for this little page is just a button, and the button is labeled make a report, and what happens on click is that we call that little function called place random marker. So hopefully that starts to get us in a position where we can start to see how the user input might interact with the code we have already for the map. Stay tuned, because I think it's starting to get very